up, guys? Mike here. Today we got two stocks that we are going to be trading, and both of these are in the e-commerce business. So during this pandemic, these are very profitable companies right now. And of course, those two companies are none other than BigCommerce, ticker symbol BIGC, and the next one is Overstock, ticker symbol OSTK. Now these two companies are very profitable companies. They are both multi-billion-dollar companies, and we are going to go over their charts, their technical analysis. We're going to do some financials for these and some earnings that they recently had, so you guys get a good perspective of what these companies are doing and where they are headed. So anyways, with that said, let's waste no further time. Make sure you guys always smash that like button, hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel and I do appreciate it. So with that said, let's begin. Yeah. Let's dive right into BigCommerce, ticker symbol BigC, and see where the chart is headed. As we can see, it is starting already a bullish uptrend. That means it is pretty much ready to buy right here in this buy zone. I think anything below $70 is an absolute steal. Everything seems to be starting to finally move up after this terrible market crash that we just experienced. And it's pretty much a correction, really, not a market crash. It's just a correction that was definitely necessary. We needed these freaking deals. Market was just too overvalued. We needed these freaking deals and it had to happen. So anyways, that's why we are going to be taking advantage of this. So as we can see, MACD has not yet crossed over, but it is getting ready to do so, and TSI hasn't either. But we can see from the histogram, it is starting to shift downwards and get smaller and smaller, and soon this will cross over. I think over here is pretty much a crazy buy, whoever got it at the $53 area to freaking $60. And they just did earnings. They didn't do as well as people expected, but because they just got a Walmart deal, right? I'll show you that here. They freaking got a crazy Walmart deal where they're going to be selling their products on the Walmart website. And as you guys know, Walmart is not just Walmart. They also have Sam's Club. So they are going to be exploding and making a lot more profits coming up. I'll leave the links to all these that I will be showing you. So pretty much they're getting a crazy deal, agreement, partnership, whatever the heck you want to call it. And it's going to be freaking zero commission rates, right, to sellers, which is fabulous. And it's just going to be revolutionizing how BigCommerce will be moving forward. So all I can say is it is getting to be a nice buy under the $70 range, and we're going to swing it all the way up to $90, right? That is the target zone to sell, is always the previous high. You buy its bottoms and you sell it to its previous highs, $90. We have a nice room to trade, right? We're going to be trading it from here. All the way till here. These are nice. So we're just going to have to be waiting for the RSI to start moving up too. Everything is going to be uptrending very soon. So make sure you keep an eye on this. I think anything below $70 is an absolute steal. And then you just swing it all the way to $90. But right now, market isn't super stable. There's still some correction going still. Some stocks are going down. You just got to wait a little bit and give it time. And I think under $70 is an absolute steal. Now, let's move on to Overstock. Looking at Overstock, ticker symbol OSTK, they just had a massive mega drop, all right? And usually when a stock falls in 10% or more, and today, freaking Overstock dropped 14% after they just did earnings, which was absolutely incredible, right? The earnings was massive and they did very well. And market just sold off like a crazy lunatic. And you guys can see the RSI dropped like a freaking rocket missile to Earth's hell, right? This was nasty. And I think it still has a little bit more room to drop, right? Unfortunately, it could drop a little bit more, but it could have a pullback. And I'm going to tell you guys, do not buy this, all right? I have a 3-day rule. When a company drops 10% or more in a single freaking trading day, you do not touch this piece of garbage for at least 3 days. It's only a piece of garbage for 3 days. After that, it becomes a nice swing that we can make some nice profits on. And that's what it is, right? $70 could be your bottom. We don't know that, right? We do not know that. That's why you got to give it 3 days to cool off. get all the panic sellers out and all the normal people who are going to make bank off this to get in, right? Panic selling, that's what caused this to drop. Bunch of lunatics are going to be kicking themselves for missing out on a ton of profits that they're going to be missing out on, all right? And we just see this. Nothing is crossing over yet. MACD, TSI, all bearish, right? Everything down. Everything is still pointing down, RSI down, everything down. That's why I'm telling you guys, you need to give this a little bit of time before you get in. I can't recommend you a price target to get in right now, but as long as this $70 range is holding off, you could probably get it in. It could drop all the way to the $60 area, right? All the way to here, 60 to 65. It can happen, right? Do not be surprised if it happens. If this drops below the 200-day moving average, you better be ready to have a stop loss and get the heck out, all right? This 200-day moving average, if this breaks, oh man, this is a megatonic drop. It's going to die all the way to the 40s and 50s. So you got to be really careful if this stock breaks the 200-day moving average. But if it doesn't, it's going to be a very nice bullish uptrend. And Overstock, they destroyed earnings, right? EPS was 7 cents. Actual was 62 cents. Like, get out of here, right? Revenue was 669,999, and then revenue actual was 731 million. Like, they killed it. They crushed it. They beat it by 146 million. Surprise, right? And they have a good future guidance, all right? They said we're going to do pretty well, but the market is not really happy. They're saying just because of COVID is the pandemic going on. That's why they're making some crazy moves, right? And as you can see, the revenue, 684 million. Gross profit, they take home 153, and then it's just a 4.9%. EBITDA, however the heck you say it. That's 22.9 million. EPS was 0.26. They crushed it. And the cash, that's cash on hand, 516 million. All right, look at the sales they have. 3.2 billion in sales. Revenue, 2.5 billion. Gross is, of course, the 500 million, right? Anyway, so we got some nice growth going on. EBITDA is 88 million. Diluted EPS was just $1.24. So we got some great numbers here for this company. Some great future guidance was given too. As we can see, we move more into the cash on cash asset base. We can see that they have $830 million worth of assets, right? That's a double. They literally doubled in assets over a year, 2019 versus 2020, right? How do you not see this company having an insane kind of growth in the next few years? Just because of pandemic, it doesn't mean they're going to lose all their growth. No, they have a huge future up ahead. Liabilities and stuff is nothing compared to what they're going to be making, right? Look at the revenue, right? This was very significant. Right? They did lose, they doubled, right? I was 2019 300 to 600, and ending from 1.4 billion to 2.4 billion. Come on, man. Come on. Get out of here. Look at that. Literally doubled everything, right? Get out of here with your fake gross numbers and your pandemic, and then you people freaking and overselling. You guys are nuts. Whoever sold and got out, you are going to regret that decision, because we're going to probably be writing this to 110 bucks again, and you're going to be like, shoot, I sold and I messed up. But if this goes to 60 and then 40, you'll be like, yeah, good, I sold it so early, right? And then you're going to be like buying it back in the $40, $50, and then you can make all the way back to 110 possibly. So that's the upside and downside. You got to take a look at it. They crushed earnings. They did pretty well. Future guidance was provided, and they're saying they're going to be doing. They're expected to do well over time still. All these articles will be posted for you guys to check out. I just wanted to show you really quickly, so I can't just fit everything in a video. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube can alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post my buys, sells, and anything stock related on Instagram. And also, guys, leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you guys would like me to do a video on, or if you have a question you'd like me to answer that, leave a comment below. And also, guys, we are working on that Patreon page. Hopefully, we'll have it out and released by the end of the week, or hopefully beginning of March. So check that out. It is coming out very, very soon. Also, guys, right now WeBull has a promotion where they're giving 4 free stocks, 2 when you sign up to use their platform, and 2 more when you make a deposit of $100 or more. WeBull will be giving you 4 free stocks, 2 with a minimum value of $8 all the way up to $1,600. Check the link in the description box below. And if you guys want another free stock, FirstTrade gives out pretty good stocks. Link below for that one. And if you want another free stock, Robinhood gives out pretty good stocks, and they do have a 5% promotion going on where they'll match up to 5% of your money up to $3,000. That's $150 for free, just doing nothing but depositing $3,000, and Robinhood will give you a 5% $150 match. Anyways, with that said, thanks again so much for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.